Hey everyone, welcome back to Dezola Designs. It's me. I'm Anne. Hello. This is what I look like. I even have makeup on, you guys. I feel really pretty today. I haven't been showing my face in a while. I just want to talk to you guys a little bit about what's going on with me. I have a lot of new subscribers, so hello new subscribers. Welcome to my channel. Last year in July, I got diagnosed with uterine tumors and uterine fibroids that turned out to be tumors that turned out to be I had a massive tumor, bigger than a grapefruit. It was like the size of a small pumpkin. So I just had to take the Lupron shot in November, and that really took me out. It did not jive well with me at all. I had crazy migraines that I was in bed for days and days. I had all the pills and everything. Nothing worked. So that wore off in February, and in February, late January, early February, I was supposed to have my surgery, hysterectomy. So I was super excited, but then they're like, oh, wait a second. You have cysts on your ovaries. We have to make sure that they're not cancerous. And then your uterus is growing, and so you have to have another shot. So it's like all this stuff was happening to me, and I was just not happy, not in a good headspace at all, but I'm coming out of that. I still have to go in for more tests, but I do have my surgery scheduled for the 31st. They're going to go in and they're going to do a little bit of explorative surgery to make sure that I don't have cancer. But like I hear one thing from my surgeon and it's good news, and then like literally the next day is like, oh my God, you have to go in for more testing. And then it's like, oh my God. So it's just a roller coaster. But the surgery is scheduled, so I'm super excited. So like I've been saying, and I've been telling you all in all of my videos, thank you so much for bearing with me. I am getting my health under control, and I know everyone's been saying after I get my surgery that I will feel so much better, and I'm so looking forward to it because I still don't feel well. I feel really off, and I feel like just bloated all the time, and it's just a really weird feeling. My uterus is actually growing. So, and the Lupron shot is not taking care of that. So I just thought I'd let you know what's going on with me. I see people talk about all their things on TikTok all the time. So I know I have my following, and I love you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for being here with me and sticking with me through all of this. I do have plans. I'm going to start working on more of my designs, my own designs, maybe selling my patterns. I know I do my crochet tutorials, but that's all down the pipeline. I made this, and if you guys would like to do this, actually, I'll link the tutorial up here. This is my granny heart sweater, and it's reversible. It has the hearts on the other side. So I'm going to be working on my own designs. I am working, I have my notebooks and I have all my notes. So I just wanted to touch base with you all because I have not been feeling well. I have not shown my face, but this morning I said, you know what? I'm done. I'm good. I'm moving forward. So I do have a new box of yarn to share with you guys from Joanne. I'm staring at it right now. But first I want to talk to you a little bit more about, I started a thing called $5 Fridays. Here in the Bay Area, we have KDFC, and we also have KQED, and they do fundraiser drives, and they talk about their $5 Fridays. If you could donate anything, that would be wonderful. So I'm asking you if you would like to become a supporting member to my channel. I will have the links down below, and I'll also share the link with you up above What is the difference between being a subscriber and being a member? A subscriber is totally free. A subscriber means you get all of my notifications when I post new content, okay? And then that's how you just, you just subscribe to my channel to receive messages and to receive notifications of when I have new content. I don't know how well that's been working lately, because lately all the new content that I've been bringing out has not gotten a lot of attention, so I'm not 100% sure what's happening, but whatever, I just have to keep posting. Becoming a member means that you support me monetarily. You support me and my channel by paying a monthly subscription service. So my membership starts at $5 a month, or no, I'm sorry, $2.99 a month, and then it goes up to $4.99, and then it goes up to $9.99. I make it really, really affordable to support me. What do you get with your membership? You get the satisfaction of knowing that you are supporting me and my channel. I really want to do this full time. I do not want to have to go out and get a job, but if I have to, I will. But that means less content on here, less giveaways. Membership also contributes to me buying yarn. 100% of what I receive goes to buying yarn every month. So the more money I receive, the more yarn I'll buy, the bigger the giveaways will get. I really, really like having the yarn giveaways because it's my way of thanking you all. Membership, you also have special emojis, and then I also get to respond to your messages on my channel, on my videos. So if you guys would like to, I would really, really appreciate it. I was doing really well this time last year, but my mom got sick and I had to take care of her. So if you were a member before, please consider becoming a member again. If you're new to my channel and if you want to support me and my channel, please become a member. I will have the link down below. Okay, let's get to this giveaway. I'm going to try and do this in one take. Here is the box of yarn. I'm super, super excited. I haven't had, I haven't had a yarn haul. Did I say giveaway? I haven't had a yarn haul in a long time. The yarn haul will have a giveaway too. So this is a yarn haul. And I used to have these all the time. I don't know if you remember me saying that I had a couple of Caron Simply Soft yarn giveaways because I wanted to get rid of the old colors from fall and winter and get new colors. Springtime! Yay! How exciting! These colors are so gorgeous. Look at how pretty those are. Oh my God. Okay, let's see if I can do this here. I'm gonna put this down below and let's get the first color. I don't remember how many of each skeins. So when you become a member to my channel, I will talk to you a little bit about this. This is what channel membership does. It allows me to buy yarn. And again, it's super, super fabulous, you guys. Thank you so much. This is Caron Simply Soft. I don't even know what I'm saying right now because these colors are so super spectacular. Do I have my glasses? Yes, I do. I feel like I'm all over the place. Just bear with me. So it's Caron Simply Soft yarn. It is 315 yards of beauty. It does not feel like 315 yards. It's a 4-weight 5mm hook. This color is called Sunshine. It's so gorgeous and beautiful. I'm super excited for this. Then we have, oh my God, that's really pretty. Do you see this? It's focusing on me. I love this color. This color is called Pistachio. Look at how pretty that is. So beautiful, you guys. This is like springtime. This color is called Lavender Blue. Sorry, you guys. Look at how pretty these colors are. Looks like an Easter basket. Look at how gorgeous this is. This is strawberry. Super, super beautiful. Oh, I love, oh my God, I forgot I got that. Look at how pretty this is. So this is, there's some stripes in here that I forgot I got. This one is orchid. This one is different. It's a little bit lighter than the lavender blue. And the lavender blue isn't really blue. Super gorgeous. This one is, did I say the color of this? Orchid. Really, really pretty. Oh, wow. This one is called Robin's Egg. That's so gorgeous. That's kind of like Tiffany blue almost. Look at how pretty. Oh my God, I love these so much. So beautiful. Then we have, what is this one? Oh, I love these colors. Blackberry. So all of this I ordered online. Some of the colors were available at the stores, but I really, really wanted a super spectacular, haul, and I think I got it. Look at how pretty that one is. This one is Times Square. It's so gorgeous. Look at that colorway. It's so, so beautiful. Oh my God. And then we have, oh, this one is really pretty, you guys. This is Simply Soft Paints. I love this. That is gorgeous. Oh, I want to make, this would be a pretty granny square project. It says 25% more yarn. Really? It doesn't feel like 25% more yarn. This is 235 yards. Really? Look at the colorway of that. It's so super spectacular and beautiful. So Caron Simply Soft is a little bit of mercerized, and it's so, so gorgeous. I'm so excited. And then we have the other colors right here. Super, super beautiful, you guys. I'm so excited for this yarn, and I'm so excited to give it away to all of you. So there is a giveaway in this video, and the giveaway is you pick 5. Okay, 5, 5, 5. Which 5 do you want? Let me know down below. I'm so excited. And you guys have to tell me the names of the yarn. So the giveaway is you pick 5, whatever you want. But I have to have the quantity in. I have quantity. Look at how pretty. You guys have to tell me the names of the yarn. If I pick your name and it just says pink, red, blue, come on. Pick whatever 5 you want, and you have to tell me the names of the 5 that you want. Okay, that is a giveaway, you guys. Thank you so, so much. I would just want to hold all of this in my arm. Let me see if I can. The colors are so gorgeous, and I'm so, so excited to bring this to you guys. Look at how pretty. I'll be ordering much more of this. This would make a really pretty project. Anyway, Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget, if you can, please become a member to my channel. Good luck to everyone. Have fun with this giveaway. And I hope you enjoyed this yarn haul too. And I will talk to you guys in the next video. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.